Hi, Vito here. Do you know the Grand Cru Association of the Tuscan Coast? Here in Lucca, today, June 26, they are organizing the 20th preview, the largest gala of wine from the Tuscan provinces washed by the sea. A great journey from the north to the south of Tuscany. We can set out from the land of Vermentino, the rugged hills of Luni, and then we go down to the coast of Bolgheri, where, star among the stars, the ambassador wine of Tuscany in the world shines, Sassicaia. And then we reach Maremma to explore the Morellino wines.